to the Midwest Telecom overview of your admin portal. Be mindful that this video is intended to give you a quick navigation tour of your portal. If you are looking for step-by-step instructions to set up or modify a specific feature, refer to the support resources available on our website at midwesttelco.com/support. To start, head on over to the portal and log into your account. When you first log in, you will see your dashboard, which gives a summary of your business phone system. The dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of all extensions and calls in real time. Now click on Extensions to see a list of extensions for your company. To modify an extension, click on the name. Let's say you want to rename this extension because one employee has left your company and a new hire is now starting. Simply delete the current name and type in the new name. Update the email address as well, then click Save. To modify a feature for any given extension, click on the Enhanced Services button on the right. This extension has access to every service with a green check mark. Click on the Edit icon for the service you wish to change. For example, if we click on the Do Not Disturb icon, we can then change this feature from not active to temporary or permanent. This option comes in handy when an employee calls in sick or must leave work for an unforeseen reason. Selecting temporary gives the option to reroute calls to voicemail or another phone number. Enter the duration for the Do Not Disturb and then click Save. Other system features that appear under the Extension tab include ring groups, paging groups, hot desking, and caller ID list. The Direct Inward Dialing tab, or DID for short, shows a list of all active DIDs present in your business phone system. Under the Conferences tab, you can add a new group by clicking the Add Conference and completing the form. The IVR tab is where you go to add a new interactive voice response system, which is a feature that can read a combination of touch tone and voice input. A typical IVR system has several menus of pre-recorded options that a caller can choose from. To add an IVR, click the Add IVR button and complete the form. Follow the same process for setting up queues. The initial queues form is quite basic. If you would like to program your queues in more detail, click the Show Advanced Options button. Under voicemails, a list of all voicemail inboxes appears. Here is where you can set up or edit a voicemail group. Click on Groups, select the group that you'd like to edit, and make your modifications. The Messages tab will show all messages that you have received. You can forward a message to another extension, download, or delete messages. The Monitor tab allows you to see what extensions are online or offline. Under the Reports tab is where you can access your call detail record for any given date range. If you have the call recording feature, this is where your recordings are stored. The CDR tab allows you to pull up a call record for a single extension. The CDR summary shows the call record for all extensions. Statistics present data for a specific date range per day, month, or extension. Moving along to the Facts tab, here is where you can recover any incoming or outgoing faxes. You can add a cover page, and you can edit your email to fax settings. Under the Systems tab is where your sound files and music on hold settings appear. For example, locate your voicemail greetings by typing VM into the search field, click enter, and select the voicemail greeting you would like to review. Here you can delete it, download it, rename it, listen to it. And if you'd want to upload a new file, you simply click upload. It's rare that you will need to use the last three tabs, routes, LCR, and apps, as these three tabs are preset by your MidWest Telecom rep during installation. Let's move on to the Settings tab. Most of these settings for your business phone system are also preset by your MidWest Telecom rep during installation. However, there are two tabs here that you may regularly use, which are Central Phone Book and Speed Dial. As a reminder, there are detailed step-by-step instruction manuals and video tutorials for each of these features on our website, midwesttelco.com/support. Both of these features come in handy for adding and programming phone numbers that are frequently dialed. The Central Phone Book allows you to add a single contact or upload a CSV file of multiple contacts. The same goes for the speed dial feature. And that's it. Now you have an overview of the administrative features included with your business phone system. If you would like a more detailed overview of the admin portal, give us a call or send an email to set up an appointment with your account representative. Thanks for choosing MidWest Telecom for your business communication needs.